The world of reality television often gives us a raw glimpse into the lives of individuals who face extraordinary personal challenges, and few stories have captured the attention and hearts of millions quite like that of Tammy Slaton from the hit TLC show, 1000 LB Sisters. Tammy, who has openly shared her journey battling severe obesity alongside her sister Amy Slaton, has recently undergone a major turning point, a skin removal surgery aimed at improving her health and quality of life. However, despite this brave step forward, Tammy Slaton is now reportedly scared to go out publicly, a fear rooted in deeper emotional and physical challenges that accompany such life-altering medical procedures. This article dives into the complexities behind Tammy's public fear post-surgery, the realities of skin removal surgery, and the emotional toll it can take on those who choose this path. Tammy Slaton's journey has been nothing short of courageous. Over the years, viewers have witnessed her struggles with weight, health issues, and the emotional ups and downs that come with living life under the spotlight while fighting a life-threatening condition. The decision to undergo skin removal surgery was a hopeful milestone for Tammy, signaling a new chapter where she could regain mobility, improve her self-esteem, and reduce the physical discomfort caused by excess skin. Yet, this surgery, while life-changing, is only part of a much larger battle. Skin removal surgery is often the final step for individuals who have undergone significant weight loss, either through bariatric surgery or lifestyle changes. After losing hundreds of pounds, the skin that once stretched to accommodate their previous size does not always retract fully, resulting in large folds of excess skin. This not only affects physical comfort but also impacts emotional and psychological well-being. Tammy's case is a prime example of this intricate interplay between physical healing and emotional readiness to face the world after such a transformation. Following the surgery, Tammy has been hesitant to appear in public or engage in social settings. This fear is understandable given the vulnerability that comes with exposing one's body after such an invasive procedure. The healing process involves visible scars, swelling, bruising, and the need for bandages and dressings, all of which can make a person feel self-conscious. For someone like Tammy, who has lived much of her life under public scrutiny, this fear is magnified exponentially. Moreover, the mental health aspect of this journey is often overlooked. Many patients report feelings of anxiety, depression, or even post-surgery body dysmorphia as they adjust to their new appearance. The body they see in the mirror can be vastly different from the one they had imagined or hoped for, leading to frustration and emotional turmoil. Tammy's fear of public exposure may well be tied to this internal struggle, a complex mixture of hope for a new future and fear of judgment or rejection. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have expressed deep empathy and support for Tammy, recognizing that the road to recovery and self-acceptance is rarely linear. Social media posts from Tammy show moments of vulnerability and strength, reflecting her ongoing battle to reconcile her physical transformation with her emotional needs. Her openness about these fears helps reduce stigma around the challenges faced by individuals undergoing major surgeries related to weight loss and body image. In addition to the emotional and psychological factors, practical concerns contribute to Tammy's reluctance to venture out publicly. Post-surgery recovery requires careful management of physical activity, hygiene, and medical appointments. The risk of infection, complications, or setbacks can make public outings seem daunting. Tammy's support system, including her family and medical team, have emphasized the importance of giving her the time and space she needs to heal properly, underscoring that recovery is a process not to be rushed. This period of withdrawal from public life also highlights a critical conversation about the pressures of reality TV fame. The audience often sees the dramatic moments, but the private struggles and the impact of constant scrutiny are less visible. For Tammy, this means balancing her role as a public figure with her need for privacy and healing. Her courage in sharing these moments publicly, even if selectively, adds a layer of authenticity to her story and inspires others facing similar journeys. The physical and emotional toll of Tammy Slaton's skin removal surgery sheds light on a broader issue within the weight loss and obesity treatment community. While bariatric surgery and related procedures can save lives and improve health outcomes, the journey does not end with weight loss alone. The aftermath, including skin removal surgeries and psychological adjustment, requires comprehensive support and understanding from healthcare providers, families, and society. Tammy's story emphasizes the importance of compassion and patience, both from herself and those around her. Healing is not just about the body, it's about nurturing the mind and spirit as well. Her fear of going out publicly after surgery is a natural human reaction to vulnerability, a reminder that behind every transformation is a person grappling with profound change. As Tammy continues her recovery, the world watches with hope and admiration. Her resilience in the face of daunting challenges encourages a deeper dialogue about body positivity, mental health, and the realities of life after extreme weight loss. While Tammy Slaton's fear of public appearances post-surgery is a poignant chapter in her journey, it is also a testament to her strength and determination to reclaim her life on her own terms. In the coming months, fans and supporters alike will be eager to see how Tammy navigates this new phase. Will she find the courage to embrace public life again fully? How will her physical and emotional healing progress? These questions remain as Tammy takes one step at a time, reminding everyone that every journey is unique and worthy of respect. The story of Tammy Slaton is more than just a reality TV saga. It is a human story of struggle, courage, and hope. It challenges us to look beyond appearances and headlines to understand the profound impact of health journeys and the complex emotions they evoke. Tammy's fear of going out publicly after skin removal surgery is a powerful narrative that resonates with many, shining a light on the intimate challenges of transformation. In the final analysis, Tammy Slaton's experience encourages a compassionate approach to those facing similar battles. It reminds us that healing, in all its forms, takes time and patience. It invites society to support rather than judge, to uplift rather than criticize, and to celebrate every small victory along the way. Tammy's story is far from over, and her courage in sharing her fears and hopes enriches the dialogue about health, identity, and the human spirit. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.